what is all these signs. 45. This is actually all the turning radius. How sharp the bend is going to be. So at 55 to 45 is mild sharpness. It's just a normal curve on the road. But sometimes you're gonna see 25 or even 20. There is a very sharp bend. Rotopokaka. It is also called Coca Cola Lake. I wonder why. Look at the color, maybe.